Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Senton 4x4 550 Mega ready to run from Arrma. So I picked up this Senton in a steal of a deal from Tower Hobbies. The deal is it's a scratch and dent product, but the true scratch and dent is the fact that it had multi-regional charger and not a US charger, and that is shown right here on the box. As you can see, doesn't have the US charger, so they knocked off $100 from the price, and it's normally $249. Picked it up for $149, which means I can make this a brushless if I want to for basically the price of the brushed. For now, I'll probably leave it stock for a little while and let my daughter play with it. So let's get this thing unboxed, show you how it comes boxed, then we'll give it a charge, we'll take it out, give it a run. So let's break these factory seals. Okay, I got the factory seals broken. Now let's see what's inside. Ooh, she looks nice in the red. Comes packaged pretty well. Has these over the top to keep it nice and sealed in there good. So let's go ahead and pull those out. Go ahead and pull off this protective film that they put on. They like to put on this saran wrap kind of coating here. There we go. So in here should be the electronics, the transmitter, and the charger goodies. So here you go. It's got the basic Spectrum 3-channel. The only thing you need with this ready to run is some AA batteries for the transmitter. And it comes with, like I said, the international plug. So it doesn't have a US plug, no problem, because I was going to use that crappy charger anyway. So now let's pull out the car and see how she looks. Ooh, nice. Arrma, their claim is they're ready for bashing. So underneath the car is the manual. Put the car aside right here. Go ahead and pull that. Got the manual here. We have some little tools and some shock shims there. Knowing the way I drive, I'll probably be putting some shims in there, stiffen up the shocks a little bit. It doesn't feel too bad. We'll see how it runs when we take it out for our little test drive. So here, let's put the box aside and take a look at the inside of this Senton. Arrma likes to put their little clip holders on there. Not sure how long those will last, but we shall see. These are my first Arrma, so we'll see how they hold up. I like to bash. They're supposed to be set up for bashing. Comes with the 3300 hump pack there. 12-turn 550 motor. Oil-filled shocks. Yeah, looks like they might need to be stiffened up a little bit. That sounded like bottomed out. But we will get it charged up and then we'll take it out for a bash. Alright guys, so we got the 3300 nickel metal hydride all charged up. Let's give it a little rip around the driveway And then after that, we'll take it out and give it a little good bashing at the track. All right, batteries in, on. All right, let's take it out. One of the cool things about these Arrmas is they have the ability to limit the throttle. So if you give it to a beginner, you can turn it down to 50% or 75%. So let's run it at 50% for a second, and then I'll turn it all the way up to 100. So that was 50. Now we'll put it to 100. So pretty cool that you can do that for beginners. So if you have a child or something. It is an Arrma. It's supposed to be built for bashing. All right, now let's take it out, get it to the track.